Hi everyone, Jean here from Decorate for the Culture, and this is the Domino's party theme. So I have been mentioning this, that I bought these very nice lightweight travel size acrylic pieces. You can tell. And I was inspired to do several things with these dominoes, including these napkin rings that I put on clear acrylic napkin rings. I adhered the domino pieces, and these are being sold for a limited time in a set of 4. As far as the party theme, the Domino's party theme, here it is. It's colorful, it's not black and white. And here is the water bottle. This one's in Spanish, Feliz Cumpleaños. Everything's in English and Spanish. We have cupcake toppers with domino pieces. Colors. We have this cupcake topper as well. Capicua, which is a very typical term used while playing dominoes in Spanish. And you have the cupcake topper. You can switch this out. You want to see the English one? Let's switch it out. And here's your English cupcake topper. Happy birthday. And if you look closely, every letter is made up of domino pieces. So cupcake toppers, cake topper, water bottle label. And you do have a napkin ring also made out of paper that you can do as well for your party. It's a bigger party, obviously, because these only come in sets of 4. And then you have your banner. Banners, I'll just show you happy for happy birthday. You can see, oh, the plant's getting in the way. You can see happy, and every letter is made up of domino pieces. Let's take a closer look. The domino pieces match, and that's for every letter of the banner. And if you download the alphabet has every letter, and it has letters with accent marks. So the party theme, the domino party theme, is now available online. You can order it digital to download, or you can order it handmade. Thanks for watching, and until next time, bye.